Sun Blossoms by Nirodbaran. Moon Flood. Let thy silver silence pour wonder rays of the moon on my lonely sand-gray shore, suddenly jewel-strewn. Many foam-washed shells there bring traces of the high, lustrous sea, where ring on ring breaks a mystery. All my prayer and bleeding quest for thy sky-winged flame led me to the dark veiled west, where thy secret name like a dream-orbed twilight shone in the shadowy deep. Pathways of the amethyst dawn linked in ivory sleep with the snow-white vigilance of an endless light. Timeless rapture of thy trance, oceaned infinite.